As you can see, it's actually generating unlimited Webtoon coins all in my account right now. I often use Webtoon and I am very satisfied with the app. But I always lack coins. Yo YouTube, my name is Steve and guys, you see my blogger today because your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited Webtoon coins all in your Webtoon app. Free, safe and online, without downloading any mobile APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial and you'll be having unlimited Webtoon coins. Guys, first step is open up your browser. Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type your address right here. Now search your game or app. Okay, I find Webtoon, wait for loads up, okay, and enter your username. Guys, please enter your username in your Webtoon app or account, of course, okay, and choose your platform. I select iOS and very fun stuff, guys, oh my god, select your Webtoon coins. Okay, and click on continue. Everything is perfect right now. I find this guide online, tested in a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly and I decided to share it with you. Okay, click verify device now. Guys, very important step. Okay, download 2 app and complete one questionnaire. Okay, I understand. All of this app is from official App Store, Google Play Store, and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. Quick type, don't use VPN, it might not work, just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be fine. Okay guys, I download 2 app and complete questionnaire. Okay, install the TikTok app and run it for 30 seconds. Okay, maybe set OpenGX and complete questionnaire. Okay, I complete questionnaire first and be right back. Okay guys, your boy complete questionnaire. Next step is install the TikTok app and run it for 30 seconds and set OpenGX. I install and be right back. Okay guys, your boy complete all steps. Everything is here. Now open up your Webtoon app. Okay, nothing is happening right now. Okay, as you can see, it's actually generating unlimited Webtoon coins all in my account right now. I often use Webtoon and I am very satisfied with the app, but I always lack coins. Oh my god, leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys, bye bye.